Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by preparing the hardware. Power down or put both devices to sleep so you don't create noise or shorts. Locate the 15-pin trapezoid VGA sockets on the computer and monitor. They're usually blue but can be black. Once found, inspect pins for damage and keep your VGA cable and any adapter nearby. You're doing this to protect components and ensure a clean connection. Next, orient the cable so the pins match the socket and get ready to connect. Now you align and insert. Hold the connector by its molded shell, line up the trapezoid shape with the port, and push straight in until it seats gently. Don't rock it. Once seated, thread the 2 thumb screws and tighten them evenly by hand to secure the plug. This prevents intermittent contact and improves grounding. If you're using a DVI or USB-C adapter, attach the adapter to the source first, confirm its orientation, then connect the VGA cable to the adapter. Finish by powering the monitor first, then the computer so the display negotiates input cleanly. Make sure the monitor input is set to VGA. Once the system boots, check display settings and set the recommended resolution and refresh rate to avoid scaling issues. If you see no signal, first reseat the cable and inspect pins, then try another cable or port. A common fix: tighten screws and test a known good adapter, because loose or bent pins cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.